Check out time, guys. Check out na tayo dito sa Explorers Lodge. Ayan ang ating room. Ang ating maluwag na room. Mga luggage natin. See you saan?
Fullerton.
Excuse me.
Next time we see you, we'll be at Fullerton.
VC, my friend.
Go!
Another challenge. He has to come out of the maze in under 3 minutes.
Don't bump those plants, huh?
50 seconds. Sila dito paligid. Kaiba, no?
Dito lang. Dito lang kasi...
Open man. Nasaan? Grabe.
We're going to Ngong Ping cable car. And
Ready ka na?
Tung Tung.
Have you ever tried cable car before?
Never.
Really? So, this is your first time. Mashallah, Ethan. Are you excited?
Yeah. We are here in Tung Chung.
Hindi pa namin nakakain to before. Ito.
Is
Ay! Sige, sige. Bawal palang kumain dito, my friend. Hawakan mo muna.
small.
Look down, look down. No, that's water. Ganda ng mountain. Ano? Biting na mo sa baba. Ang laitan. We're high up, see?
Why are they?
You
look scarier.
You don't.
Surround us. Such a high.
Ping Village. Okay? Wala man. Ayan, we will try yung yung waffle dito.
Tingnan mo.
Mainit yata may
Hindi siya ganun ka.
Pakabe. Ano siya, Chewy?
Tell me if you like. Ang sarap.
Ilayo ko nga to. Ubus na.
Hindi ka siya ganun kayo. Tingnan na ako.
General Makura. Ayan na si Buddha, oh. Perfect. Wow. Isa pa. Hindi kami aakyat, my friends, kasi gabi na.
Let's go, mami.
Kaya mo yan, anak?
Hindi. Sir,
Ay, hindi ko kaya.
the Temple of Buddha.
It's all in Chinese, so I don't understand. Looks like a Chinese festival here. Right? Oh, that's the one. Grand Hall of 10,000 Buddhas. Close na rin?
So, napalayas po ng hotel.
Kumakain sa daan.
Inan, ano masasabi mo?
Ito pang dinner namin.
What can you say? Ha?
Nahulog na.
Nahulog. Oh, ayaw mo na dyan. Ayaw mo na.